Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum? Bitcoin pulling back below the 4-hour rotation zone, still holding right above key support. Key support coming in right now about 52.50. This is a key level on the 4-hour and the daily. So you see we have a support shelf right here with the 50 period exponential moving average. If we drop below that, and when I switch over to daily, you'll see we'll also drop below the 8. We'll be targeting things in the rotation zone. Another divergence here with this push up. We couldn't even get to the next level. And when you see failures like that and we don't even hit the 12.5%, it's really running out of momentum. So overhead resistance right now about 53.20, and if we get above there, then major resistance coming in about 53.60. We're still going to leave these levels up in place since we didn't hit the 12.5%. If we do get a close below about that 52.50, we'll be watching next key level. We could do also is put up a retracement here from this run up, so that I'd really watch 52 about 42. That's a 37.5% retracement from this run up. Get below that, the 50% 51.90 to 5200 lines up with this little area of prior resistance becoming support, and then below that we'd be watching for about 51.37 area. Now let's switch over to daily chart. Daily chart, see here, close below that 52.42 level, then that takes us into the rotation zone on the daily chart. So really watch those key levels. You don't want to see a close below about 51.37 area. Otherwise, we'll be watching then to return to probably 5,000. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also another divergence, not getting to the 12.5% extension area, and then coming back down. What we did a reverse projection from this high to this key low. You've seen this. We've talked about the reverse projections before to give us key levels to watch for a pullback. So minor level was 188.86, major 167.71, spiking just below that, then is testing it again as a low. So those are the key levels now that have already been hit. Overhead resistance coming in. Going to be watching around the 171 to 172.50 area for overhead resistance. If we did get above that, I'd watch for a return to about 176 area. Now we can switch this now to a forward GAN box since it's going forward in time. Minor level 165.69, major cluster area 164.19 to 164.69. So if we continue to head down, those are the key levels to watch based off the 4-hour chart. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart, oh, that's sort of interesting since I updated them. That 165.69 is right at the bottom of the rotation zone. So if we do get below there, that means the rotation zone is violated on the daily chart. I'd really be watching if we get below 164.13 on a closing basis. Then I'd watch for the return to about 157 area. If that did not hold, then I'd watch for 149.16. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.